बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मदिन व आलिहि व इत्रतिहि बियदि कुल्ली मालूम मिल्लका सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम तमाम ख़वातीन और हज़रात और मेरे अज़ीज़ तलबा तलबात। यहाँ पे हमने अपनी एकेडमी में इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कोर्स स्टार्ट किया है। इंग्लिश बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत मैटर करती है आपकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए, स्पेशली फॉर IASB। अगर आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकते, स्पोकन इंग्लिश नहीं है, तो आप IASB क्लियर नहीं कर सकते। स्पोकन इंग्लिश बहुत ज़रूरी, इस इंटरव्यू के हवाले से भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। और किसी भी इंटरव्यू में आप अपीयर हो रहे हैं, चाहे CSS का इंटरव्यू है, चाहे PCS का इंटरव्यू है, चाहे इनिशियल इंटरव्यू है, इंग्लिश आनी चाहिए। इस हवाले से हमने यहाँ पे एक मैडम हायर की हैं, तो अभी मैं उनकी तरफ जाऊँगा, स्टार्ट कराएंगे डिस्कशन। जी मैडम, स्टार्ट आप इंग्लिश में। बस ठीक है, आप बोलें।
Okay, we are doing a debate on the topic that is advantages and disadvantages of internet. Okay, one group is playing a role that is in which is supporting the internet, and the next group is basically opposing the use of internet in society. Okay, let's start the students.
First of all,
Speak louder.
First of all, I start the advantages of internet. My first opinion is that internet has benefit. Like we get information about news updation. News updation is, I think, it is the best. We touch the world in a short time. We touch the world in a short time at every field. So tell me about what is your opinion.
You also read newspaper from the news from country, whole country, or newspaper, not from mobile.
But
Also use newspaper.
but I think that newspaper is our to consume so much time. So I have thought that if we use internet, then for a short time we get so much knowledge about in the world.
It affects your health. So what is your opinion?
I think that if we use it so much time, so it has bad effect. But it is not a bad effect if we use it for some time to choose our purpose.
Suppose you are not using it.
Don't
for
ask
long-
question. Debate, please.
You are not using for a long time, but many people are using it for a long time, and they are getting many health issues like depression, eyesight problem.
Don't
Eyesight
discussion,
problem
don't
is
ask
normal,
question, right?
But depression is nowadays by day is increasing.
Common.
Okay, carry on. What's your opinion about this?
My opinion,
Okay.
But there are many another benefit of the internet, like online working, business, and online classes. That in COVID-19, students learn online classes. It is very beneficial for them, and many people earn from the online work, like work on Word, Excel, and they complete their expenses and other needs.
Many people face the cyber attacks in business, and they lost many money.
Many of people use this tools to get.
Okay, do you think that you are debating?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you are making different points. You are just saying what are advantages and disadvantages. You are not debating. When someone is making an argument, you have to defend your opinion. Okay, but you are not defending your opinion, you are making new arguments in that way. For example, he has said that in COVID-19, internet has helped us a lot. It has helped in online learning. Moreover, we are having online works available there. Okay, if the person who is in opposite side, he has to make an argument against it. He can say that besides the use of internet, there are also hazards, like if we are doing online work, our data is hacked. It could be point, but you are not debating in a good way. You are just telling me about a topic, that what are disadvantages and advantages. Okay, you are not debating. Debate is something else. When a person make a point, you have to oppose him. So next time avoid this mistake. We will do it furthermore.
Okay.